Hello everyone, my name is Kathrin Luce, and today I'll introduce you to my lesson and unit plan for EDED5375. I'm a biology teacher. The topic of my unit is biology in the context of scientific investigation. My name is Kathrin Luce, and I'm a 9th grade science teacher, biology specifically, and the length of my unit is 2.5 weeks long, 45 minutes each day. The description of my unit is biological sciences involve the investigation of the natural world. The validity of research in biology heavily depends on the use of the scientific method, which is the most widely used strategy in verifying scientific claims. Scholars must know the basic definition of science, biology, and scientific inquiry to correctly identify concepts when investigating such claims. Furthermore, students must be familiar with biological research and research-based topics. The process of the scientific method involves making observations, asking questions, making conjectures, and testing prediction through empirical observation or scientific experiments. Knowledge of laboratory safety measurements, sequential steps of the scientific investigation, use of hypotheses and theories, application of variables within the experimental study, and differentiating between descriptive, comparative, and experimental investigation will allow students to gain an in-depth understanding of the process of scientific investigation in the laboratory as well as the natural world. So what will my students learn? The lesson plans will include the topics of what is biology and what is science, how biology links to the scientific investigations, steps of scientific methods that include scientific question, background research, formulation of a hypothesis, the experiment itself, data collection, data analysis, and drawing of a scientifically valid conclusion. Safety measurements in the laboratory is another thing that our lessons will discuss. Identification of hypotheses and theories, differentiation between dependent and independent variables, and differentiating between descriptive, comparative, and experimental investigations. There will be different assessment strategies. There will be informal formative assessments in which I will evaluate the quality and quantity of the participation of my students in the classroom. Formal formative assessments, which will include quizzes throughout the different lesson plans, and then formal summative assessments, which at the end of the unit students will create their own scientific investigation and they will be evaluated with a rubric that I created. Thank you so much. Thanks for a great semester. Bye.